Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside satellite finder. Frequency range is from 950 to 2300 MHz. Model is PSSFS 3A2, 3 years warranty. High sensitivity for detecting weak signals. For quick and easy installation of satellite dishes with a clearly laid out 22 kHz LED display and acoustic signal. Rotary knob for adjusting the sensitivity, display with a backlight, instructions included. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can work with that. We've got the cable for the connection. Nice. Inside we're gonna find out on the manual, I can see. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And there it is. Here we've got the wall holder, the wall mounting holes, the buzzer, display needle, receiver connection here, and the LNB, low noise block connector. Control knob from here, and the LED indicators. We've got 22 kHz, 18 volts, 0 Hz and 13 volts. Well, a nice and lovely small device. Well, in the future I will find out how we can use it, align the disk with the correct satellite and find the signal. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, you never know when you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.